The next question is, how can I avoid breakage as I move back to my natural hair? I've mentioned a couple of ways that you can avoid breakage. So your detangling method, looking at the ways that you're styling it, your wash day practices, what you tend to do with it on wash day. But what else can I think of? Ways to avoid breakage. Investing in good detangling tools, because most breakage occurs during the process of detangling. So if you're detangling properly, if your detangling method is efficient, then the breakage is minimized. So me personally, the day that I found the ultimate finisher detangler by Tangle Teaser was a great day for me. I found it while my hair was natural, as opposed to when I was in the transitioning stage, but it's a really gentle and efficient detangler, so that's what I would recommend. There's other brushes on the market. I know that Instagram is bombarded with adverts for the EZ detangler, EZ. That one's one that has really great reviews. There's also the Denim brush. That one is a classic. Everyone loves a Denim brush. These are really good brushes to invest in because they're going to allow you to detangle your hair with minimal breakage because they're quite gentle. The other thing that you'd want to avoid in order to minimize breakage is detangling on dry hair. And that's just something you're going to want to do as your hair becomes natural anyway, because detangling dry hair leads to breakage. And with curly hair, kinky hair, afro texture hair, it's more prone to dryness anyway. So if you're trying to detangle dry hair, it's when it's at its weakest, it's when it's in its weakest condition is when it's dry. And if you're trying to detangle it, it's basically a recipe for breakage. So another thing that you'd want to avoid is detangling it when it's dry. You're going to want to use the leave-in that you would have invested in from my previous tips and apply that whenever you're detangling. And also good oils to try out would be like coconut oil, olive oil as sealants, and also just to smooth the hair before dealing with it, or even when styling it. When you're working with the two textures of hair, oil might help to make your hair look more uniform, not to weigh it down, but just to smooth it into a more uniform look, and also to coat it to seal in the moisture.